Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening your vocal track and the watermark clip. Import both into your DAW or Audacity. You want the watermark to be short and intelligible, so trim to 3-5 seconds and normalize volume. Once done, place the watermark on a new track slightly after a phrase. This creates natural overlap. Make sure you export working copies in WAV to avoid lossy artifacts. Keeping a lossless master is why we work at 48K HZ or higher. Now you focus on blending. Reduce the watermark gain to around -18 to -12 dB so it is audible but not dominant. Apply a high-pass filter at 80 Hz to remove bass buildup and add light compression to the watermark so its dynamics stay consistent. Once you hear the speech clashing, set up sidechain ducking so the main vocal briefly lowers when primary phrases occur. This preserves clarity while keeping the watermark present for identification. Finally, you export a lossless master and a distribution copy, WAV for archives, 320 kbps MP3 for delivery. Test on phone, earbuds, and monitors so you catch masking or phase issues. Make sure speech remains intelligible. If the watermark feels intrusive, lower its gain or shift it by 50 to 200 milliseconds. Alternatively, widen its stereo image or apply a mild EQ notch to avoid frequency masking. This troubleshooting keeps both protection and listenability balanced.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.